Hi grade 1, this is Miss Hafisah. Welcome to your number talk lesson. Today it is going to be special because I have students in here that you guys are familiar with, but you also are going to participate in this lesson. I have Marina.
Hi.
I have Makaya.
Hi grade 1.
I have Precious.
Hi.
And I have Judith.
Hi.
Are you guys ready?
Yes.
You guys at home, are you ready for number talks? Alright, I know you are. Let's get started. First, I'd like you to hear me clearly about how we're going to do this. I'm going to show you cards, and your job is to tell me what you see. How you see it. Yeah? What you see and how you see it. If you see if you get done with counting and knowing how many dots you see, you're going to give me a thumb up. We're not going to raise hands. Why? Because we want the rest of our classmates to think. Alright? When everybody's thumb is right here, we'll begin sharing our answers. Are we clear?
Yes.
Are you guys clear there? Alright. We're gonna begin with a pretty simple one. So, how many dots do you see? Are you guys there? Okay. Now that I see everybody's thumb up, it's time to share our answers. Marina, how many dots do you see?
2.
Marina says she sees 2 dots. How do you see them?
I see them in boxes.
Okay. How do you know there are 2 dots?
Because if there were not 2, there won't be another one in a box.
Can I hear you clearly?
There won't be another one in a box if there aren't 2.
If there aren't 2. Any other person who sees this differently? Yes, Judith. How do you see this?
2 dots.
How do you see them? What makes you think they are 2 dots?
Because there is 1 and 1, and 1 plus 1 equals 2.
So she knows that 1 plus 1 equals 2. That is Judith. Makaya, do you want to share how many dots you see?
I see 2.
How do you see them? Okay. Makaya is still thinking about it. Precious is ready. How many dots do you see and how do you know there are 2? And how do you know?
There are 2 dots.
How do you know there are 2 dots?
Because 1 is in 1 box and 1 is in 1 box, and then they will become 2.
Okay. We are going to move on to another one. Remember, we are working with the 10 front. Okay? There are 10 boxes. So how many dots do you see? How many dots do you see? Yes, Precious.
I see 5 dots.
Precious sees 5 dots. How do you know there are 5 dots?
Because there are 5 boxes.
Okay. Yes, Marina Ruth?
There are 5 dots.
How do you see them? How do you know there are 5 dots?
Because 3 plus 2 equals 5. And if there were not 5, there would be 2. And that would make 4. But if you add 1 more, that's 5.
Alright. That is what Marina thinks. She thinks that 2 plus 3 equals to 5. She sees 2 dots down and she sees 3 dots up, and that she knows they are 5. Any other person that wants to share? Someone at home? You want to shout that out like I'll hear it? Okay. Are you ready for another one? Okay, these are more dots. How many dots do you see? Okay. Malina Ruth is ready. How many dots do you see?
8.
How do you know there are 8 dots?
Because we have 8 dots and 3. We have 5 dots and you add on 3, that's 8.
So Malina knows that 5 plus 3 gives her an 8. Anybody thinking differently? If you agree with Malina, you can agree with your 2 fingers. If you disagree, you have the chance to share your answer. Or if you see this differently, you can still share your answer. Yes, Makaya?
I see 8 dots.
Okay, how do you see them? How do you know they're 8?
Because a 10 frame has 10 boxes, and in 8 of those boxes, each one of them has a dot, except for the 2 others.
That is how Makaya sees that. Did you realize that Malina saw them differently and Makaya also saw them differently, but they both say they are 8 dots. Okay, let's move on to our last. Okay. How many dots do you see? Precious, you want to try? Do you need a minute to think about it? Okay, Judith is ready. How many?
There are 6 dots.
Okay, how do you know there are 6 dots?
Because when you want to do a 10 frame, there are 6 boxes that have dots in it. Each one has 1 dot.
6 dots is what Judith sees. Marina?
There are 6 dots.
How do you see them? How do you know?
Because when we have 4, we add on 2 more, that makes 6. And each box has 1 dot. So that makes me see that there are 6.
Where did you get the 4?
From the 4. We get the 1, 2, 3, 4, and 4. Yeah, in 4 boxes.
Can you come show me how you did that? How you saw the 4?
I saw the 4 like this.
Uh-huh. So she saw the 4 like this, and she added 2 more, and she knew that was 6. Alright guys, thank you for doing number talk with me. And guys at home, thank you for doing number talk with us. See you next time. Bye.
And living so far away, so I knew that when I called you I would hear